guys, it's Mini VR, and I'm back on VR. Today we are going to be beating people in freeze tag.
I kind of want to be friends.
Oh, hold on.
Do you know how to friend people?
I know.
This is basically my brother's account.
Can you teach him?
Hi, Big Teeth. Bugs
Are
Bunny.
you a girl or a boy?
I'm a girl. Bugs Bunny.
I'm a girl.
Bugs Bunny, can I climb you?
I'm a girl.
Can I climb you?
Oh, wow. This
Thank
is my
you.
brother's account. So
Oh my goodness,
He
no!
wants me to friend.
Please. Dang, you're the meanest person I've ever met, actually.
No, I'm not.
I can't buy anything because this is my brother's account.
How'd you get the bunny suit?
Tell with nothing, bro.
No, you have to go over here. No.
How'd you get the bunny suit?
No. No, go over here.
How'd you get the bunny suit?
You have to get it with shiny rock. I meant, sorry, I used to forget. No. You have to get it with ice cubes.
I wanna climb on your ears. Let me climb on your ears, please.
Stop it or I'll torture you for the rest of your life.
No!
Like this.
No, please!
What
I'm about to go
I'm gonna
freeze
torture
tag.
you.
No, stop! You're torturing him and me.
Yeah, you big old meanie. That's why you have big teeth like Bugs Bunny does, and you smell like rat food.
So much.
What's up, brother?
Hi!
That was fun.
Man,
You got lucky, little bro. There's 3 more seconds left. Easy. Bro, you got lucky. I got here the 4 minutes, bro.
You got tagged 8 times.
Too easy.
Okay, bro, the last 2 tags you were camping on me.
You got
The last 3 tags you were camping on me.
You got tagged.
The last 3 tags.
Oh, man.
You got tagged. You got tagged 8 times.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, no, I'm gonna tell this kid. I'm gonna tell
You got
this
tagged
kid.
8 times.
Trust.
You got
I'm gonna tell this kid. I'm gonna give him 3 seconds.
tagged 8 times.
Why am I here, bro?
I was literally here begging
I'm just getting a
Help! Help!
My teammate's camping on ramp. Why don't you go back? Just run. My teammate is
Bro, I have the worst teammate.
Help!
my teammate's doing nothing. Insane.
Okay, what's my teammate, bro?
Stop it, you ground camper!
I was taking a break. Nah, bro, what is my teammate doing?
Hey! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
How? I literally got pushed away by hitting you.
Ow.
Leave me alone!
Yo,
I'm about to go.
Where's my teammate, dude?
Oh, yeah.
Teammate!
Where are you?
Oh my god!
I have a question.
My teammate! Bro!
Nah, bro.
Bro, guys, help me.
I'm right behind him.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know
Bro, my
what?
teammate-
I don't have this
What are you doing? My teammate is so cool.
Miss Rude.
Bro, my teammate
Nah, bro,
targeted
what is
me
my
and called me
teammate
bad.
doing?
That
teammate's not helping me at all.
Not nice, buddy.
Bro,
You should
no,
have
stop.
respect
Oh my
others.
god.
I'm tagged! I'm tagged! I'm tagged!
Teammate, you're targeted. Bro, you're literally camping. What the?
Oh my goodness. Bro, you're our last hope! You're our last hope! Oh my god.
Damn, I'm lagging, chat. My baby.
Come on!
I don't know why, chat, but like I'm.
What are you screaming for?
None of your business, boy.
I don't know what a blow dry was. Yeah. I'm trying to target him, bro.
I'm freaking target you. I'm joking.
I'm going to target this kid because he keeps saying I'm a guard, bro.
Bro's so desperate. Bro's so
Because I tagged him 5 times and he was camping.
Bro's so desperate.
I was desperate. It's
I'm
my
so
turn.
desperate to tag him.
Move.
Stop me in my butt.
You're my brother.
And you're not paying attention. Bro,
You're my brother.
bro,
Baby.
are you frozen?
Alright, this guy's only going to
Guys, help! Help, please. This guy's frozen. You can get me. Help!
Bro, you're built like a salted pretzel.
Bro, this guy's only going to slide, bro. This guy
You didn't get me. Can you not help me?
You're that stupid camper.
Get your ass.
Can you not camp me, please? Thank you. Thank you.
I'm trying to do something.
Help!
Not the goat.
Help!
I'm not trying to do to you.
Help!
I'm not gonna say
Help! Guys, help me! For free. Help!
What is that?
Help! Help! Help!
I got you.
Bro, stop!
I'm not gonna save you.
Mom, please! I know! This stupid camper keeps camping me. I don't know
Bro
why.
needs his teammate to help. Bro needs his teammate to help.
Bro, these teammates suck! Bro, come on!
Buddy, I got tagged 2 times.
Okay, that's good. And you camped on me. And you camped on me for the last 4 times.
Buddy.
So, welcome.
Bro!
Womp womp, you can't tag.
He's doing the same route, dude.
I'm alive.
help me.
For the fact that it's just.
Let's go run. We're cooking. Dude, this guy's trying to sweat. Bro, sweat. Sweat.
Help, please. Can someone help? Please.
Yo, this guy's gonna camp up there. Camp up there.
Okay,
Not
bro.
surprised.
Why you keep camping? Come on!
I tagged you 5 times, and now you have to sweat.
Yes.
To actually get me. That's crazy. Yo.
Bro, this game's GoPro, bro.
Hold up, y'all. I gotta clean my
He's
lenses.
just gonna try to camp me, bro.
Alright, we're gonna camp on me.
Yo, don't laugh at my boy.
Yo, look at that sweat.
Bro, he's a camper, bro.
Bro,
Yo,
dang.
W, bro.
What the heck that they do?
Bro needs his
Stop!
teammate.
Stop!
I tell you. Got tagged?
Superman, what the heck?
I'm tagged.
You tagged me 4 times.
What's up with you?
I love it.
Did I help, please?
I got you.
Bro, okay. These freaking freezers, I hate you, bro!
What the heck, bro? You got tagged 1,000 times. And bro got tagged 5 times. You got tagged 5 times. You got tagged 5 times.
You need your teammate to help you.
Oh my god. Bro,
Destroyed.
yup, excuses.
Damn.
Bro, you make excuses.
Well, glad I lost that.
Bro, you got tagged. Be quiet, bro. You got tagged.
Bro, this kid keeps getting juked every time.
Because I tagged you 10 times.
Bro, this reindeer kid is so crazy.
A bro saying that when he was crying about tagging him.
Yeah, King.
And you had to target me. And you can't even tag me when he's camping.
Yeah.
He's gay. You have to try to tag me. You have to try to tag me. Yeah, King. Crier. He's crying. Well, cry yourself to Everyone's ignoring you, buddy.
Queen.
Everyone's ignoring.
Yap.
Bro, everyone's ignoring you, buddy. Don't even you're having about friends.
Are you?
He's just tapping me because you don't want them to get me.
He's so bad, bro.
Damn.
Bro, stop camping.
Got tagged 6 times. Got tagged 6 times.
Yap
King, Crier, King.
Yap Queen.
Bro, you still got tagged. Holy, you suck.
Yap Queen.
You got tagged 7 times.
Yap Queen. Yap Queen. Buddy, you're a queen. Like, shut up.
And that was a Crier.
Yeah,
You're a
Queen.
Crier, buddy.
Yeah,
You're a Crier.
You're gonna win. Just survival
Yeah,
level
crying.
3, piggy. Yeah.
Dude, I tagged you 7 times. You tagged me.
got demolished. Yeah.
You tagged me 4 times. I tagged you 7 times. And what was the downfall? What was the downfall?
Who cares about you winning, bro? You always keep on. Bro, you keep on camping.
Yapperine, bro.
Camping.
Bro,
And everyone ignored you.
You're the winner of annoyingness and stupidity.
The person that had no friends. Yep, King. Everyone's ignoring you except one dude.
All of y'all are
Talking, bro. That's crazy.
Honestly.
You want attention? You want attention?
Go cry to your mommy.
Attention seeker?
King.
Shut up, little boy. Crier, cry.
You only
Cry queen. Cry queen.
Buddy,
Skill issue queen. Skill issue queen.
Bro, stop yapping. He was just stop yapping out of freezer. He didn't do anything to
I
you.
tagged you 8 times and you tagged me.
Shut up.
Guys, put it at 2
Bro, shut up. Why do you keep yapping, bro?
You gotta calm down, little bro. We're trying to play while you're talking. Just,
Bro, you're gonna talk. I tagged 2, bro.
I'm not trying to be talking. I'm just saying.
Stop yapping, bro.
You want to and step over him.
I'm trying to play, man. Just be quiet. Let us enjoy.
Okay, so just talk to me and don't talk about him just because.
Don't talk to me.
You want me right him.
Are you fighting or something?
Yeah, they both keep yapping.
Brad's gonna meet right me, buddy. That's crazy. He's
Chill,
meat
man.
riding.
Like, why are you being so
Got
calm?
tagged once.
Bud, your teammate tagged me.
And I tagged you.
you
Oh my
got
god, I was
died.
so mad.
I'm banana now.
You got tagged over like 15
Yap
times.
Queen.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Just shut up.
Keep yapping.
Skill issue queen.
This is a record.
Skill issue queen.
This is a record.
Skill issue
Oh
queen.
my God.
Hello?
Skill issue
This is such a
queen.
record. This is a record. bro.
Crier queen.
This is a record. Record
Target
of
me,
the
you're
yapping.
Got tagged again,
Record
queen.
of the yapping.
Holy.
Bro,
Skill issue queen.
Record of the
Can I tell you
yapping.
something?
Oh my God, can you just be quiet?
I'm playing
Record
freeze
number
tag
one.
and Penguin Paradise. Oh no, my headset died.
Record of the yapping.